Hello students, and welcome you all to this video lecture series on data interpretation. This is the fifth part of this chapter. In first four video lectures we have seen the table DI, pie chart DI, line graph DI and bar graph DI. The link for these videos is given in the description box. Please go through these videos. In today's lecture we are going to see the Casslet DI or paragraph DI. In previous four types of data interpretation, the data will be given in the form of either table or in the pie diagram or in the bar diagram or in the line diagram. So to interpret the data and solve the question, it is very easy one. But in the Casslet DI or paragraph DI, the data is given in the form of paragraphs, and from that paragraph you have to analyze that data and solve the questions. So it will become difficult or time consuming to solve the problems on Casslet DI and paragraph DI. Generally, the two types of question are asked in the Casslet DI. These two types of questions means the information you can collect and you can prepare one table and put this information in the table, and then you can solve the questions. Secondly, you can analyze the data from the paragraph DI and you can prepare one Venn diagram and you can solve the questions. And thirdly, also you can directly calculate the values from the given sentences in the paragraph DI and then you can solve the questions. So by these three ways you can solve the Casslet DI or paragraph DI, that is by Venn diagrams, by preparing table, or by solving the values given in the paragraph and then solving the questions. So from that we will see one question on that Casslet DI in this video. So this question is generally simple, but just what is to introduce what is the Casslet DI, that question we are going to take here. So that question is, Siddharth has decided to start a new company, Siddharth Travels. He want to buy some furniture, table, chair, air conditioner. He also want to buy a few desktops, which will include the monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. So it is here in this few sentences the data is given just in general. So one person is there, he want to start a company and he want to buy four things. First thing is table, second chair, third air conditioner and fourth is desktop. But in that desktop, four things are there. First is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. It is given. That things we understand from these two lines. Next, and the cost of each table is 13.5 times of the cost of mouse. So there is one relation given in that sentence. The cost of each table is 13.5 times the cost of mouse, and the cost of chair is 3 divided by 5 times of the cost of table. The cost of air condition is 5 times the cost of chair. The cost of monitor is 20% more than the cost of chair, and the CPU cost is 15,000 more than the table, and the keyboard cost 4 times a mouse, and the cost of mouse is 1000. So here is the thing which we need. The cost of mouse is 1000, and all other things given in above paragraph are the just relation. So by that last sentence you can calculate the cost of each thing. For that purpose, just write the relations given in the problem. That is, cost of table is equal to 13.5 times of cost of mouse, cost of chair is 3 by 5 times of cost of table, cost of AC is given 5 times of cost of chair, cost of monitor is 20% more than the cost of chair. That means the cost of monitor will be 120% of cost of chair, because 20% more, that means 120%, and 120%, that means 1.2 times the cost of chair. Next, cost of CPU is equal to 1500 more than the cost of table. That's why just add 1500 in the cost of table, and the cost of keyboard is 4 times the cost of mouse. These things are given in the question. And lastly, one line is given that the cost of mouse is 1000. So just calculate the value of each here. You can easily calculate because the cost of mouse is given, and put the value of mouse as equal to 1000. You will get the value of table, chair, AC, monitor, CPU and keyboard. First of all, from the given data you need to find out all these values and write in the somewhere, isn't it? So this is the one type of Casslet DI in which information will be given in terms of some kind of relations, and that relation you have to solve and find out the value of each thing, and then some questions will be asked on that paragraph that you have to solve. So next we will see the questions given So this given data you need to write somewhere in the paper also. Next, what will be the total cost of one table and two chairs together? So now rest is very simple because just you have to calculate all things. So first, cost of table, one table is 13,500 and a chair cost is 8,100. So put the values, you will get 29,700 as the cost of these two things, and the option C will be correct for this. Next, the questions will be very easier on that now, because once you have read that caslet or paragraph and you have analyzed the data and find the value of each things. That is the only difficult thing in caslet DI. Other questions are very simple if you find the values or if you prepare a Venn diagram. In some questions, Venn diagrams you need to prepare. So if relation between three things are given, generally in Venn diagram caslet DI, relation between the three peoples will be given. For example, one people is there who likes the football, another one people who likes the cricket and football, and one people is there another that likes cricket, football and volleyball also. So for these relations you can prepare one caslet DI and solve the questions based on that. So that type of question also we'll cover in the next video. For this video we will see the second question: what is the ratio of the cost of CPU to the total cost of a mouse and keyboard together? So put the value of a CPU, mouse and keyboard, just the relation or ratio is asked. That ratio is coming as a 3:1. Next, if the cost of keyboard and mouse increased by 20% and 15% respectively, what will be the total cost of desktop? So here the total cost of desktop you can find out by the addition of cost of monitor plus cost of CPU plus cost of keyboard and plus cost of mouse. You know that in desktop, monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse are the four important things, and that is also given in the question also. So the addition of these four you need to calculate, but for that one condition is given, that the cost of keyboard and mouse is increased by 20 and 15% respectively. So increase the cost of keyboard by 20%, that means 20% increase, that means 120 divided by 100. If you directly want to calculate the value or increased value, then 100 plus 20, that is 120% of the 4000, it is coming as a 4800. Directly value you will get if you multiply it to 4000 by 120 divided by 100. Next, 15% increase, that means 115 divided by 100. If in the question it is that 20% decrease is there, 20% decrease means 100 minus 20, it will be 80. 80 divided by 100 you will do here. If 20% decrease is there, here it is increase, that's why 120. So find out that increased values, put that and find out this addition, it is coming as a 30,670. The option B will be correct for this question. Next, Siddharth bought one table, one chair, one desktop for himself. What was the total cost of him? So one chair, one table costs are known, and one desktop. So desktop include these four things. You have to make the addition of these four things also, so that you will get the answer as a 51,320. So option I think option 1 is correct here, not this D, this is by mistake. Option 1 will be correct, A will be correct for this. Next, it was initially decided that 4 air condition will be installed, but now later only 3 air condition and a fan were installed. So one sentence is given, instead of 4, 3 air conditions are installed. So instead of that 4, we need not require, just concentrate on 3 air condition and 1 fan is installed. If the cost of fan is 1/10 of the cost of air condition, so the cost of fan is 1/10 of cost of air condition, it is given. What was the total cost? So the cost of air condition we know, and it is 40,500, and the cost of fan is 1/10 of that cost, that means 4050 will be cost of fan. So such a 3 ACs are installed, so 3 into that 40,500 plus fan cost, it is 4050. The total will be 1,25,550. So that total cost is asked, and that is option D will be correct for this question. So such kind of simple questions are there on the Casslet DI. It will be easier to solve the Casslet DI just to understand and analyze the data given in the paragraph. So thanks for watching the video.